Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a ringtone for one person on an iPhone. First, open up the Contacts app on your iPhone. Once you are in, scroll through or just search to find the contact you want to customize a ringtone for. On the Contacts page, you will see an edit button in the top right corner. On that, to start making changes, look for the option labeled ringtone, tap on it, and you will be taken to a list of available ringtones. Now scroll through the ringtones and listen to them by tapping. Once you find the perfect tone that suits this contact, tap on done in the top right corner to save your change, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.